Hi, my name is Olivia Young, and I am filming Jack Murphy performing his speech for business communications.
Also,
Kelly and Charlotte are also watching.
Okay. All right, here you go. I'm going to be discussing the company Target, and also about investment strategies that they can do to better their business in the next 3 years. So without further ado, in 2017, Target CEO Brian Cornell stated that the company planned to make a multi-billion-dollar investment in company growth and overall benefits. By investing in their teams, fostering communities, serving guests, and preparing for tomorrow, they expect to build the best, most efficient version of their own company. The question of opportunity that I propose is, how can Target separate itself from all the other retail supply stores out there? I propose that by exercising corporate responsibility, by investing internally, and economic strategizing, Target will get significant growth in the next 3 years. Looking at values outlined in 2017, the core values for improvement are team investment, financial investment, customer satisfaction, and community outreach. Target began its journey in 1902 with founder George D. Dayton in Minneapolis, Minnesota. From its humble beginnings, a small department store would expand to become the largest retail chain in America. This would happen by way of successful business strategies made by Dayton and his foundation. From just a few stores in Minneapolis and St. Paul, Target would explode to incorporate over 1,500 stores in every United States state. By 2005, the company was clearing over $50 billion in annual sales. The Target Corporation specializes as a general merchandise retailer with stores in all 50 U.S. states as well as the District of Columbia. In addition to partnered humanitarian outreach, its portfolio includes clothing, electronics, furniture, groceries, and health products, as well as many more other products. Target prides itself on presenting guests with high-quality, on-trend merchandise at discount prices in clean, spacious, guest-friendly stores and throughout its digital channels. Current CEO/Chairman Brian Cornell has been with the company since 2014 and has more than 30 years of leadership in global partner companies. Apart from offering products from virtually all national brands, Target has offered products from 41 other private brands known as own brands. These include brands such as Market Pantry, fashion brands such as Universal Thread, as well as household furnishing companies like Hearth & Hand. Target's main competitor is Walmart, a multinational chain of hypermarkets that has grown substantially since its beginnings in 1962. They offer a similar variety of products and have stores in almost every same area that Target covers. Walmart also boasts a similar business strategy, that being functional everyday products that are available at a low price to virtually every consumer. Other main competitors are Amazon, Kroger, Costco, Kmart, Sam's Club, Home Depot, and Lowe's. Target markets itself through various pathways such as corporate sponsorships including Minnesota United Football Club, Ganassi Racing, and the Olympics, as well as through social media, advertising, and customer catered promotions like the Red Card. Target is able to keep its audience by presenting non-invasive advertisements that serve as a positive buffer between company and consumer. This offers a more approachable media presence, also to the brand's 29 million followers across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram combined. From a 5-year chart conducted from Google Finance, Target is shown to be at a steady rise in revenue since 2014. 2016 and 2019 saw small drops that were followed by a very quick turnaround. Although currently below the global market rankings, Target is on track to surpass the NASDAQ by mid-2020. In terms of competition, Costco, Amazon, and Home Depot have all outperformed Target in the last 5 years. However, the Target Corporation currently remains about 20% higher in revenue than its main competitor, Walmart. At the end of 2018, Target reported its highest revenue in 5 years at $75.25 million. Current revenue for 2019 is at $18 billion, which is already a tremendous rise from last year's revenue. From this information, the conclusion can be drawn that although Target is not outperforming all of its competitors just yet, the investments made are starting to pay off. In terms of investing in the company, Target has a great importance in the well-being of its team members. By establishing benefits such as more pay per hour, more hours worked, more hires, more healthcare benefits, scheduling flexibility, and more overall development, Target believes it can create an overall better environment for its guests. In September 2019, Target unveiled the Target Circle program, a loyalty program designed to cater to all individual guests' needs, as well as to save them money on in-store purchases. Members of this program will also get to have a say in how Target depicts and directs its donations to local nonprofit organizations all around the United States. Currently, there are over 2 million guests enrolled in Target Circle, completing over 14 million transactions countrywide. The votes casted from the program have also raised more than $500,000 that have been donated to local nonprofit organizations across the country. Target has also invested $7 million in remodeling stores and increasing the amount of owned and national brands it carries. Target unveiled a new small format store design 2 years ago, and the smaller line of stores that will serve as a neighborhood hub and places where you can go and pick up your online purchases if you get them. 2017, Target and individual team members donated $13 million and volunteered over 250,000 hours as part of their annual giving program. This trend will continue to increase the ethical credibility and value Target will carry over the next 3 years. As much as any company can invest in their own assets and appearance, what they do for their guests and communities speaks more to the general public. Target has put forth an immense amount of value towards that exact purpose. I believe exercising corporate responsibility will have the outlasting effect on how the company is viewed in the next 3 years and more years to come. I leave you with this quote from founder George D. Dayton. "Success is making ourselves useful in the world, valuable to society, helping and uplifting the level of humanity, so conducting that when we go, this world will be better off for us having lived in the brief span of our lives." Thank you. Before I end this, I want to hand it off to any questions, if there are any. No pressure, but...
I don't have any questions.
How did you choose Target out of all the companies out there?
I've been going to Target since I was a little kid, and I always had a specific feeling whenever I went to Target. It was very nostalgic and just a very user-friendly, exciting, and it just goes to show, they're really good at what they do with advertising and marketing.
Nice.
So
Good.
That's why I wanted to choose a company like that. So.
Thank you.